what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com, and today we have Kellie Jackson's 1998 Cobra on the dyno. Kellie is one of our very knowledgeable customer care representatives, and she's got a mod list for us here on her car. Got BBK long tube headers, pipes cat bomb catback, 410 gears out back. It is still rocking the T45, so our pool is gonna be made in 4th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Does have 93 octane fuel, and for what it's worth, for the guys out there wondering, it does have 75,000 miles, and it's still on the factory calibration. These Cobras were rated at the flywheel from the factory, 305 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. And I don't think I mentioned that is an 18-inch rear wheel for all the dyno scientists out there. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're all good to go, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right guys, let's take a look at some numbers. For the simple mods Kellie's Cobra has, it put down some pretty good power to the rear wheels. 278 horsepower at 5,700 RPM, and it pretty much backed that up in the torque department as well, 277 pound-feet of torque at 4,200 RPM. I think like all Mustang enthusiasts, Kellie probably has a ton of plans for this car, and rightfully so. Once the mod bug bites you, it bites you. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you know what to do. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.